Good afternoon, everybody. It is Josh Hudson here at Hudson Autoworks in Greensboro, North Carolina. Today we have for sale a 1976 Pontiac Trans Am with a 400 big block turbo 350 transmission, all original owner documentation. We've got the build sheet, we've got the bill of sale, we've got the original catalogs, all from 1976. This is a beautiful car, rare, black on black. This vehicle was custom built by the owner, and we have all the documentation with it. Very, very beautiful car here. Gotta love the black on black. The bird is on the hood. This thing is beautiful. Go around the car now and tell you about little things that we did to upgrade it here at Hudson Autoworks. We did add a US mag Bandit replica wheel. We did a staggered setup from front to back to really give it that muscle car look. The tires and wheels are brand new. We gave it a full detail, a full tune-up. This thing got brand new plugs, wires, valve cover gasket, service the transmission. Oil is fresh. This thing is cosmetically sound here and mechanically sound as well. All the original documentation will go with the vehicle when it's sold here at Hudson Autoworks. We even have a letter to the customer where they delay the catalog at the time of purchase, which is really, really cool. This stuff right here is just very, very rare. All from 1976. All comes with the car. You got the Hearst shifter, power door windows. It does have a digital radio upgrade here. So there have been a few cosmetic and convenience upgrades here in this vehicle to make it more 2021 for you. It's a great, great car here. Love the black on black. All the interior's in great condition. The seat has rarely been used. All the doors open and close very, very well. We did have the bird added to the hood. To me, it's not a Trans Am unless you have a bird on the hood. But it does show on the build sheet where the owner opted out of the bird. So we did add that. Very, very great condition. This thing starts right up. Perfect driver here. Let's take a look at the digital upgrade. I'd say the restoration on the vehicle is about 3 or 4 years old. The paint still has a very, very high gloss. Overall, this is, let's say, a 8 out of 10 on the paint. It is definitely something you could take to a car show right now. I'll set the phone down so you can look under the hood. Very, very clean engine bay. The Pontiac blue engine. Very clean on the hood, no leaks. Runs and drives really, really great. Very reliable. You can hop in this vehicle and drive it to the beach right now as it sits. practical driver, not something you have to sit in the garage and stare at it. This is an all-around, ready to drive kind of vehicle. There you have it, everybody. 1976 Pontiac Trans Am, 400 big block with the turbo 350 transmission, 10 bolt posi rear end, all original documentation that does come with the vehicle, offered for sale here at Hudson Autoworks, Greensboro, North Carolina.